What's up, my beautiful people? Happy Saturday. It's our weekend. You see, I dropped that one video. Hopefully you guys watched that already. But now we could talk some philosophy, right? It's the weekend. I have a few videos. I shot another video. I gotta edit some. I don't know if I'm gonna post them yet. You guys will see, but hopefully you guys are having a good weekend so far. I'm gonna go get some food. Relaxing today. I'm feeling a little better from the sickness, and I was talking with some people about a topic, and I was thinking about it, and I don't know. I think it'll be helpful for you guys. Again, and I think it's related to just how you guys approach trading. It's something I've developed myself, you know. I'm trying not to be as much of a bully as I was, you know, and that's something, listen to my point of what I'm trying to say here. I know the title is pretty extreme, but the whole concept here is that pretty much if you're a bully, you're broke, or most bullies are broke. And I know what really, I'm trying to like get this thing and do this, but you know, the thing about it, of what I'm trying to say here is that I've noticed a pattern with some people, and like, why are you talking so much? This lady talks so much. I need to find the charging station. But I've noticed this pattern with people, and it's just people who don't want to do stuff, or they don't want to commit to, they don't want to commit to things, but they often, you know, it's like, they don't want to, you know, they're scared to pursue their goals. They're scared to pursue certain things, and I think it's because of how they treat others. So I think this is coming out kind of mumbo jumbo. I'm getting thrown off here by the sun and this navigation thing, but honestly, I think what I'm trying to say is that if you judge other people hardcore, you are going to be very, very judgmental and critical of yourself, and it's going to get in the way of you trying to do stuff, accomplish your dreams, do stuff with trading, whatever it may be. This could be anything, whether, you know, you want to make YouTube videos and you're worried about what other people might think of you if you did do trading, or even if you're like, oh, I'm into the field, I'm into computers, whatever it may be. But some people are really scared to pursue it just because how they would view people. You know, they're very, very judgmental of other people, and then, you know, it's not like they're bad, you know, you're not a bad person if you're judgmental. You know what I'm saying? My mom's very judgmental. She's one of the greatest people I know. I'm very judgmental in certain things. I'd like to think I'm not. I grew up with a judgmental background, so I'm pretty open-minded with things. But then again, you know, when I'm like, oh, fuck, you can't make money off Forex, you can't make money doing this, that's being pretty judgmental. I am, you know, I'm coming out of a place of trying to help people, but again, you just can't condemn people. If you condemn people, you know, you will get held to the same standard. And, you know, I'm not spitting no religious mumbo jumbo at you. It's just, I think it's just fact. You know, look at how it is. Like, the people who are like, honestly, like, if you're scared to pursue something, it's like, why? Like, if you really care what people do think about you, are you somebody who holds people to a critical standard? Are you very critical of people when you see what they do, when you see their work, when you see how they approach things? Because that's usually where it comes from. So I don't know. What do you guys think about this? I think this is a big thing because I've seen it with a few people. I've talked to several people, and I'm seeing so many people with talent, and it always confuses me. I'm like, why are they so, you know, why wouldn't you commit to something? You know, why wouldn't you do something when you have so much talent? And usually they're afraid, and I'm like, what are you afraid? And they're oftentimes afraid of other people, how other people are going to view it, whatever it may be. So, and you know, I'm talking about a lot of you guys on here. You know, the emails I get from people, the people that I interact with here, you know, you guys are there. So hopefully you guys take that as encouragement, and then also be nicer, though. That's what I was saying. You know, I made that video, and like, this is where it's coming from too. It's just like, if you're nicer, I guess it is the law of attraction. It is sounds kind of creepy and weird. It's like good vibes, and like, sounds very hippie, but I think it kind of works. It does to a degree, but even in general, like, I think if you're less of a judgmental prick, I think that it goes a long way with helping you, because you know, it takes a lot of pressure off for wanting to do stuff, for you want to create. And that's the thing, just don't, and even for you guys, like, even for people in the chat and everything, like, I banned somebody in the chat, like, he was just he said something like, oh, you guys like ride dick, like you this, you're like, and people like, I don't be that kid who's like, you know, do you think you're cool? You know what I'm saying? I think I timed that person out. You came back in. I'm not going to hold anything against you, and I'm using that as a learning example. I'm not trying to bash whoever did, you know. I love whoever that is, you know what I'm saying? because even then, like, I'll bash my favorite person, Mustafa. Mustafa, I'm calling you out in this video. So he's probably not. Let's see if someone should comment this on the video, tag this so he could. Wait, turn right. Where the fuck is this? Give me that supercharger. But someone tag Mustafa in this, and you could let him know I'm talking smack, because he is one of those people I've seen, you know, and I've told him this. I've encouraged him to be nicer, because I've seen, like, he'll make fun of people. He even made fun of me. He sent me a snap of me on stream, like, oh, do you have any questions? Does anybody have questions? Like, he's making fun of me. I'm like, he's that kid. He thinks he's cooler than, it's like, what? He's the kid who makes fun of the guy asking questions in school. Like, it's like, dude, you're not cool because you're making fun of the guy trying. You know what I'm saying? Again, I've said that before. There's nothing wrong with trying, and like that's what I'm saying. Like, this is where I think it all stems from and comes from, is that people oftentimes, they're just like, they look down on people a lot. It's like they're afraid to try because of how they've looked upon people for trying. So don't be that, okay? And Mustafa, be nicer. All of you guys, be nicer. You know, I think it'll go a long way. And if you're not used to it, don't worry. I think, too, I'll try to lead by example. You guys see I pop off still. You know, it's a work in progress. I think we're all works in progress here. But I'm just encouraging you guys with it, because that's something, you know, I've worked on in the past. I'm still working on stuff, but that's something it's become, you know. For me, I've already, even, you know, before making this video, I've never really judged people too hard, and it's taken me a long way. But again, I could see my shortcomings even recently, but that is something I've tried to work on with it, to make sure I'm not always on that tip where, okay, there it is. There's my Tesla supercharger. Come on, Audi. Oh, you baby guy. There you go. But yeah, so I don't know. I think you guys get the message with it. What do you guys think? How many of you guys, who's a bully in here? Have you guys been bullied? When did you last time bully, huh? You guys like to big bully? You guys big bully? Vehicle charging only. Okay, hold on. So let me park this and we'll wrap up, okay? I was getting so confused, but I had to just wait for a charger. But yeah, I don't know what I was saying. I think I was asking how many of you guys are bullies. How many of you guys, I don't know, what do you guys think about this? How many of you have what do you guys, what's your guys' take on it? Because I want you guys to be more, I don't know. I don't want to say open-minded, but I don't want you guys to be as, I'm not even telling you to do anything, honestly. I'm just saying something I've noticed. I've said this to some people, and at the same time I've said it because I'm like, I've done that too, and I've caught myself doing it. But I thought this was a good, you know, philosophical message I could preach to the youngins today. Hopefully this encourages you guys in some way. If not, let me know. I always love your guys' thoughts. But yeah, give me some questions. Subscribe if you guys are new. We're gonna stream on Monday. I'm feeling a little better, like I said. But yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I don't know. I got some other. I want to show these other videos to you guys. I got a lot of philosophical videos. We got some. I made a video. I kind of made an awkward EFT video. I don't know if I should share it with you. It's really awkward. If I told it was, I don't know, man. So we'll see. Let me see how you guys feel with this video. It's not. They're kind of two ends of the spectrum, but hopefully you guys are having a good weekend. Hopefully you're working out. You know, I got a little swole. You guys know I'm fucking massive, so. You know, I had to do my thing. But yeah. I love you guys. Yeah, let me know how your weekend is. And let me just, no bullies, man. Let's squash it. Let's squash the beef, but only so you guys, that's the thing, man. If you guys want smoke, we could get it. You know what I'm saying? I'm really good at the smoke, but that's where I'm saying I don't want you guys to hinder yourself, man. Peace and love with you. Alright, man, I'm done. So this is what happened when you're fucking waiting for a Tesla supercharger, bro. I just get fucking delusional, and I'm waiting here just talking crazy. Just waiting all these little fucking electric golf carts. It's like iRobot. I'm like, meow, meow, meow. Alright, guys. Peace.